Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If your Windows 11 mouse cursor is randomly drifting, jumping across the screen, or moving entirely on its own, it is usually caused by a dirty optical sensor, a conflicting laptop touchpad, or glitched drivers. I will show you exactly how to stop this ghost movement right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for a drifting cursor is a tiny piece of hair or dust trapped directly inside the optical sensor of your physical mouse. Flip your mouse over, use a microfiber cloth or a quick burst of compressed air, and thoroughly clean the sensor opening in the center. Additionally, check your mousepad or desk surface, as reflective glass or highly glossy surfaces can constantly confuse the laser and cause the cursor to jitter. Next, if you are using a laptop with an external mouse, your built-in touchpad or touch screen might be registering phantom inputs and fighting for control. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices on the left sidebar, and click on Touchpad. Toggle the main switch to off or expand the menu and uncheck the box for Leave Touchpad on when a mouse is connected. If you suspect your touch screen is glitching, right-click your Start button, select Device Manager, expand Human Interface Devices, and right-click your HID-compliant touchscreen and select Disable Device. Finally, a built-in acceleration feature or a corrupted driver can artificially boost tiny sensor movements, making your cursor feel completely out of control. Open your settings again, go to Bluetooth and Devices, click on Mouse, click on Additional Mouse Settings, and under the Pointer Options tab, uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. If the issue persists, right-click your Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click your primary mouse, select Uninstall Device, and restart your computer to force Windows to install a fresh, stable driver. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.